Kyoto conjures images of geishas in Gion, golden temples, and endless red torii gates. But beyond the tourist hotspots lies a quieter, more authentic side of Kyoto. Here, the countryside unfolds in rolling hills and misty valleys, where life moves with the seasons. This is rural Kyoto, a world of bamboo groves, farming villages, and old folk tales. My journey wasn't about famous landmarks, but about getting lost on purpose and meeting the people who call these places home. I set out to explore just beyond the city's edge. First to Ohara, a village of serene temples, then to Miyama, a mountain town straight from a fairy tale, and finally to a street where monsters are celebrated. This was a quest for the unexpected, a journey into the heart of rural Kyoto. It's a side of Japan that feels wonderfully alive, offering a peaceful escape from the city's buzz. With curiosity and a map, I set off to discover the soul of Kyoto, hidden in the countryside, waiting to be found. Sometimes the real magic begins where the tourist maps end. Let's see what lies beyond Kyoto's famous sights. My first stop was Ohara, a tranquil village just an hour from Kyoto. The air was cool, scented with cedar, and the city's noise faded into the sound of the Takano River. Sanzenin Temple's moss garden, dotted with smiling stone statues, invites you to slow down and breathe. Ohara's spirit lives in its Oharame women, who once carried goods to Kyoto, their tradition still visible in the village today. The village is also famous for its red miso and shiso, with local shops offering tastings of these unique flavors. I sampled homemade miso from a friendly shopkeeper, salty, rich, and deeply satisfying. Sitting by the river, munching on shiso pickled cucumber, I felt a rare peace. Ohara isn't for rushing, it's for meandering, listening, and savoring the quiet dignity of tradition. Here, simplicity is the greatest luxury. It was the perfect introduction to Kyoto's hidden side. From Ohara, I ventured deeper into the mountains to Miyama, a village where time stands still. Kayabuki no Sato's thatched roof farmhouses look like they belong in a storybook, blending into the lush hills. These homes are built and maintained by the community, a tradition called yui, tying together. The central hearth, or irori, fills the rafters with smoke, preserving the thatch and keeping insects away. A clever, ancient design. Many houses now welcome visitors as cafes or guest houses, letting you experience rural life firsthand. I sip tea in a cozy room, the air thick with wood smoke, watching children play and farmers tend their fields. Miyama is a living museum of Japanese rural culture, where tradition and community thrive. The quiet harmony between people and nature here is restorative. It's a testament to resilience and the beauty of old ways. In Miyama, you truly feel the heart of rural Japan. Next, I return toward Kyoto to find Ichijo Yokai Street, a shopping arcade with a twist. At first glance, it's an ordinary street, but look closer. Homemade monsters, or yokai, peek from every corner. These playful creatures, crafted by shop owners from recycled materials, celebrate Japanese folklore's weird and wonderful spirits. The street's connection to yokai runs deep. Legend says it marks the border between the human and spirit worlds. Every October, locals parade as their favorite monsters, reviving ancient tales and building community spirit. Each yokai reflects the shop's character. A hardware store's monster made of bolts, a fabric shop stitched from scraps. It's a living gallery of creativity and humor where history and imagination meet. Yokai Street is a must-see for anyone who loves stories and surprises. Here, folklore isn't just remembered, it's alive and thriving. It's Kyoto at its quirkiest and most charming. My journey through Kyoto's countryside was more than a trip. It was a revelation. Beyond the famous sights, I found a world where tradition is lived every day, from thatched roofs to mischievous yokai. Exploring these paths gives a fuller picture of Japan: rolling hills, farming communities, and deep connections to nature. By stepping off the beaten track, you become a guest, sharing tea and stories with locals. The real magic of travel happens in these unscripted moments. Hidden gems offer a richer, more meaningful experience than any crowded landmark. They remind us that the heart of a place is found in its quiet corners and everyday lives. So next time you visit Kyoto, look beyond the city limits. Rent a bike, hop a bus, or just wander. Allow yourself to get wonderfully lost. You'll find stories and experiences to cherish. In the hidden valleys and forgotten streets, you'll discover the true soul of Kyoto. And maybe a bit of yourself too.